Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to see recently deleted comments or recent comments on Facebook. So head over to the Facebook application in here, and once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account, and then head over to your profile. Now going to my profile, now scrolling down, and here if you have any option that have already have a comment, you can go to the comment section in here and you will find the recent comments. So yeah, this is how you can see recent comments on Facebook. Sometimes it is set to most recent or like filtered. You can just filter it out from here. So yeah, this is how easily you can see recent comments on Facebook posts. Hope this video helped you out. If you got any questions regarding this, make sure to comment down below and we will reach you out.